Hi guys, my name is Aman. So whenever we talk about security, I always want to keep myself a step ahead to take care of my family. That's why I always rely on CP Plus to provide me with the best Wi-Fi security cameras. That's why in today's video, I will be unboxing the CP Plus CP-V47A Wi-Fi Bullet full color camera, which is again an active deterrent camera too. In the box, you will find the Wi-Fi Bullet camera and installation guide that will help you for quick operation, an adapter to connect the camera and some screws to fit the camera on the wall. This bullet camera has 4MP recording resolution. That means you will be able to watch crystal clear footage without any pixelation. It also comes with a H.265 video compression to record 4MP higher resolution video on lesser bitrate so that it takes on less storage and we can record for more days and transfer video or audio on lesser bandwidth over the internet. This camera has an inbuilt microphone and speaker that helps you talk to anybody in front of the camera, and this feature is known as two-way talk. This camera has IR light and white light to provide 3 night modes. The first mode is normal IR mode, in which you will get black and white image. The another mode is full color mode. In this mode, white light LEDs work and provide color image during the night time. The third mode is smart mode, also known as the active deterrent mode, in which the camera provides black and white image in ideal conditions, and if there is any motion that happens in front of the camera, then the white light gets on and the camera provides color image. This camera is bullet shaped and ideal for outdoor locations at entrance point, stairs, parking areas, etc. Installing this camera is not a big task, it's simple and easy. All you have to do is download the EzyKam Plus app, connect this camera to the Wi-Fi of 2.4 GHz, scan the QR code, and that's it. Now you can easily use this camera at your convenience. Now talking about a very important feature, motion alerts. This camera will send you real-time alerts as soon as there is any motion in the camera frame. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, you can easily view the camera just with the help of your voice command. Other features like the private mode will just add more convenience for you, as with this feature, you can stop the recording of any particular area for as long as you want with just one click. Overall, this Wi-Fi camera from CP Plus is a great option if you want to upgrade your security camera at your home or office.